Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Khan Absar Ahmed from First D at St. Lawrence High School. I have so many cars. This one is my favorite car. It is blue color car. Car is very useful vehicle. Car many design. There are so many cars like Mercedes, BMW, Ferrari and Maruti, etc. It saves our time also. Everyone should drive the car very carefully. Thank you.